If you have ever suffered from a cold, you know how uncomfortable and bothersome it can be. Symptoms like nasal congestion, headache, and cough can significantly affect your quality of life. But don't worry, we're here to help you. In this video, we will show you how you can cure a cold naturally, using ingredients that you probably already have at home. These natural remedies are effective and will help relieve cold symptoms without having to resort to synthetic medications. Furthermore, it is important to note that opting for natural foods and home remedies is a healthier and safer option for your body. Medications often contain artificial ingredients that can have unwanted side effects and can be harmful to your body in the long term. That's why we always recommend choosing natural and healthy alternatives. Finally, we invite you to subscribe to our channel, The Healthy Habit, so that you don't miss any valuable content on how to lead a healthier and happier life. Now, let's get started with the topic. Honey and lemon. Honey has antibacterial and antioxidant properties that can help fight the bacteria and viruses that cause a cold, while lemon is rich in vitamin C, an essential nutrient for the immune system. You can take this hot mixture as a tea, or you can simply take a tablespoon of honey with a few drops of lemon. If you find it difficult to take it alone, you can mix it with hot water to create a delicious and comforting tea. Ginger. Ginger has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can help reduce inflammation and pain associated with a cold. It can also help decrease mucus production in the lungs and throat, which can help relieve congestion. To make ginger tea, simply peel and cut a small piece of fresh ginger, boil it in water for a few minutes, and add honey and lemon to taste. Garlic. Garlic is a natural antibiotic with antiviral and antifungal properties that can help fight a cold. You can add fresh garlic to your meals, or even eat it raw if you can tolerate the taste. If you prefer not to eat it raw, you can make a garlic soup by boiling some garlic cloves in water and then adding vegetables like carrot, celery, and onion. Mint tea. Mint has decongestant and anti-inflammatory properties that can help alleviate congestion and sore throat. You can make fresh or dried mint tea and drink it hot. Adding a tablespoon of honey to the tea can improve the taste and add additional health benefits. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has antibacterial and antiviral properties that can help fight the germs that cause the cold. You can mix a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with a tablespoon of honey and a cup of hot water. Drinking this mixture twice a day can help alleviate cold symptoms and strengthen the immune system. Now that you know the 5 natural ways to cure a cold with ingredients you have at home, I have good news for you. There are some extra tips that can help you feel even better faster, and you don't want to miss them. These tips are backed by health experts and have been proven to be very effective in fighting the cold. If you're looking for a natural way to feel better, keep watching the video and take note of these tips. Your body will thank you. Rest. Rest is essential for your body to recover. When you have a cold, your body needs more energy to fight the illness, so it's important to give it the time it needs to recover. Try to sleep 7 to 8 hours a day and, if possible, take a day off to recover. Also, avoid strenuous activities while you're sick. Hydrate. Water is essential for maintaining hydration and helping your body fight the cold. You can also drink tea, broth, or natural juices without added sugar. Make sure to drink fluids frequently, especially if you have a fever or sweat a lot. Avoid processed foods. Processed foods, such as soda, candy, and snacks, can worsen cold symptoms. These foods contain ingredients that can affect the immune system and increase inflammation in the body. Try to consume natural and fresh foods that provide you with nutrients and help your body fight the cold. It's important to mention that it's better to consume natural foods that help cure the cold instead of medications and drugs, as the latter can have side effects and not address the root cause of the problem. Natural foods, on the other hand, contain vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help strengthen the immune system and effectively fight the cold. They are also a more affordable and accessible option for anyone. In conclusion, I hope you have learned something new today about how to cure the cold with natural ingredients that you can find at home. Remember that it's important to take preventive measures to avoid getting sick, but in case of a cold, these natural remedies can be a great help in alleviating symptoms and speeding up the recovery process. Don't forget to like this video, comment on any other tips you know for curing a cold, and subscribe to the Healthy Habit channel for more valuable content related to health and wellness. Thank you for watching this video.